How to fix iPhone lag after iOS update. Step 1, you want to restart the iPhone. Next, step 2, turn off background app refresh. So we go into settings, then tap on general. Now go down and tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh and then select off. Then step 3, turn off low power mode by going to settings. Now tap on battery. Then we go down and tap on power mode. Then make sure you turn on low power mode. When you see it's on, simply switch it off. Step 4, update apps. So go into App Store, tap on your account. Then we go down and tap on update all. Step 5 is to reset all settings. So tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset phone, then tap on reset and reset all settings.